Hi everyone, my name is H2Hubb and we're here with a unboxing video for the HM-500 unit. This unit is produced, manufactured, and sold by the company HydrogenMed Biotechnologies. They produce this system. It is a hydrogen inhalation system and produces 500 milliliters per minute of pure hydrogen gas. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see how it comes. See how it comes to our home and how it will come to yours. So first, let me go ahead and take out the shipping info. And then we'll go ahead and cut through this plastic. Alright. Let's get in here. So it comes very well insulated and protected. One of the little parts or components of the system. The head covering. We'll take that out. And then we have looks like this is our accessory pack. Comes with the manual and the power cord. Look like nasal cannula and some other tubing. We'll set that over here. And then here's the unit itself. So we'll take this guy out of here. Get in here. All right. Alright, here's the unit itself. Set the box down. Looks like it comes well protected in shipping. And then this is the front side of the system. And we'll take the actual unit out from the bottom. Take off the protective covering. It's a pretty nice looking system. This is the HM-500 unit. Looks like this is the opening for the reservoir on the system. And the front side of the unit has a display for, it looks like it has a display for producing the gas. The hydrogen gas when it's being produced. It's a very nice looking unit. It's a really nice system. And this is the back side of it too. But yeah, this is the HM-500 unit and this is how it will come. Let's go ahead and look at a little bit of packaging. Accessory pack. So in the accessory pack comes the manual, and then this is the nasal cannula, allow you to do hydrogen inhalation with the system. This is a, looks like the tubing to be able to drain the system. There's a drain port down here at the bottom, and looks like this plastic tubing. It acts as a drain tube, allows you to drain the unit. And then we have power cord. And last but not least, looks like this is the connector piece to do hydrogen inhalation with this component here. So this is everything that comes with the HM-500 unit. It's very simple looking device, and that's the unboxing for it. So stay tuned for the next video, the demonstration video for this particular product. We'll go ahead and put all the components together and go ahead and turn the system on and run it through its normal operation. So catch us next time at the H2Hubb.